Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So this is my Lowe's Black Friday video for you. This is it's very similar to the Home Depot and Harbor Freight videos I've done. For this one, I'm going to show you everything here in the ad. This ad I found on the web. It's not at Lowe's. It's actually at something called blackfriday.com. So this is probably more of a national flyer. The flyer I got for Home Depot was local to me. Again, I want to preface here, guys, that this year with all of our shipping issues, some of these things may be in and out of stock at Lowe's. Lowe's, as all of the other stores, are working as hard as they can to keep the product in the store, but we know we have some issues with shipping this year. So the best I can tell you is you got to check back a few times to get some of these deals. I have gone back to my local stores and gotten a few deals that were not in the store the first time. So this is Black Friday, and they do say valid 11/25/21 to 12/1/21 unless otherwise noted. I'm going to be very honest with you. Most of the stuff I've seen in the store well before 11/25, and these prices are already valid. So it's kind of the same thing the Home Depot's doing. It's kind of the whole month of November. So these are good from now. Today is the 23rd. These prices are good until the month of December. So I'm just going to scroll through the ad really quick. I'm going to show you what I bought, and I'm going to show you the pictures I took in the store, just like I did with Home Depot. I did not make a lot of purchases here at Lowe's, and I really don't know why. I love going to Lowe's. Lowe's treats me very well. Lowe's gives Lowe's and Home Depot both do give military discounts, but Lowe's makes it very easy, which I am happy with. Being a veteran, I get 10% off at Lowe's of many things in the store. This is the front page, and it's just touching on some of their for sale items. Remember, Lowe's is now a Craftsman distributor, so there's going to be a lot of red Craftsman stuff on sale here. They have a buy one get one for Craftsman, and a few toolboxes. They have the $99 Craftsman toolbox. This one is a 239 piece, very similar to the Husky set over at Home Depot. Everybody's doing one of these boxes this year. I think they're a great deal to put in the truck or in your house. If you don't have any tools at all, this is a great kit to get to have as your loan-only kit. There's some Dewalt stuff here and Cobalt on the front page. We'll see more of that as we get into here. So let me switch the pages here because they very quickly do get into many tools. Now again, much like all the stores, they have many cardboard displays in the aisles with many little bits and pieces, stocking stuffers, whatever you want to call them, in these cardboard displays, and some of them are good deals. I'm going to be honest, I did not make a lot of purchases at Lowe's this year. I just ended up making more purchases at Home Depot. Has nothing to do with the stores or the products. The Home Depot is literally 3 minutes from my house. The Lowe's is 15. That's really the main reason, to be honest with you. I did buy, believe it or not, this Craftsman 7-inch, hold it right, dummy. This Craftsman 7-inch square on a whim for $6 because, I have very bad eyes, and this is plastic. So this is not nearly as well made as the Milwaukee I got at the Home Depot, but it is very easy to read, and I'm going to be using it for the next month or two to see if it is easier to read. If it is easier to read, I'll let you know, because, you guys at my age bracket that wear these glasses for everything, if you find something easier to read, you are a very happy person. Now, we can see we have a lot of knives, a lot of pliers, a lot of bits. Bits and blades are always prevalent at Black Friday throughout all of the bid box stores. I own this Cobalt kit right here, and I'm very happy with it. It's the 3-piece set of slip joint pliers, tongue and groove pliers, they're calling them there. Actually, I stand corrected. I don't own that set. I own a very similar set that more has that handle there. So it's probably that set, just a newer year with a different handle. But I'm very happy with it. Moving to the next page, I want to get you through the whole flyer. Again, I also, hanging in my shop right next door to me here, the upstairs shop, I have this 5-piece Cobalt set. I am more happy with my Dewalt tools from Harbor Freight, but these work very well up here in the shop. I'm very happy with them. They're very good. Great set to keep at home for around the house daily use. Many other bits and blades here again. Bits and blades are a big ticket item. Lowe's is also doing the Jorgensen clamps. Parallel clamps, $30. That's a okay price. It's definitely lower than normal. So, you know, if you need parallel clamps, those are the 24-inch ones. I'm not sure if the other lengths are on sale or not. They only list the 24-inch in the flyer. Now, Craftsman. Craftsman, like I said, is doing a buy one, get one free. Kind of like the other stores. Buy one battery kit or a 2-tool kit and get another tool free. Home Depot's doing it all over the place with all of their brands. Craftsman has it here as well at Lowe's. They also have the pancake compressor for $100, just like Harbor Freight's doing and other stores are doing. I don't own any. I want to be fair to Craftsman. I mean, I remember when the term solid as Sears meant something. I mean, I'm an older guy right here, right now, these days. And I'm going to be honest, guys, the Craftsman name has really let me down over the years, you know, to where Sears has vanished. And I'm hoping Lowe's and I think Ace Hardware, you know, there's other places now pushing Craftsman. I hope they revive the line, to be honest with you guys, because it really was. You know, all of these socket sets back in the day when I was 16, 18 years old, just starting to mess around with cars, you know, over 40 years ago, I bought a set of Craftsman tools. I still have them. They were excellent tools back then, and I hope they come back to that level. You know, time will tell. Here they have a pack-out system. This is a trade stack system. I don't know who made that, but it's $129. I did not do this one in my video on the pack-out systems, which I'm going to keep calling them even though I shouldn't. Cobalt is also a line available at Lowe's. They have a 7 1/4 sliding compound miter saw for $129. That sounds like a pretty darn good deal for a slider. They also have the buy one, get one kits going on. Pretty much everybody's doing the buy one, get ones other than Ryobi, who interestingly isn't this year, and they're kind of the ones that started it. You know, more Cobalt tools, and of course you're going to have your full line of Cobalt bits and hand tools. I own this 20-piece set to including the bottle opener. I'm going to be honest with you, for $1 a tool, which is what I paid for it last year, and then what it is again, it's normally, it looks like $30 here. But at $1 a tool, it is not a bad kit. You get 5 of these little screwdrivers. As you can see, this is one of the 5 you get. I keep these up in my desk to work on my computers. These are very small little, you know, electrical type screwdrivers. I use them with the computer. That's these right here. And then the rest of the set I have down in my toolbox down in the shop. More bits and blades. Everybody's putting bits and blades out there. Lowe's also does flex. I don't know much about flex yet. That's something I have to read up on, but they are at Lowe's. And you can see they have some tools on sale. Dewalt, guess what? Buy one, get one. Go figure. Everybody's doing buy one, get one for Black Friday. And I want to find, they also have bits and blades, and they're not showing the right angle that I got at Home Depot. It is amazing how much cheaper the right angle is at Home Depot, but I do have a picture of it when I show you the pictures later. And then down below here we have Dewalt bits and blades. Everybody's doing buy one, get one, bits and blades, and then batteries. Metabo is another line hanging out at Lowe's. They were Hitachi. Metabo, I guess, bought Hitachi and rebranded them. They have a 7-tool kit here for $400. I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not. If you have Metabo tools, why don't you go ahead and comment for us and let us know if that 7-tool for $400 is a good deal. Okay, guys, and the Metabo is the end of the flyer for tools. The flyer goes on with other things in the store, holiday stuff, and other things that aren't really relevant to what we talk about here. I am now going to shrink this down and show you some pictures I took in Lowe's. Okay, guys, now here are some pictures of Lowe's. Lowe's, again, Craftsman's 3-box rolling system is the VersaStack system. This is a sister to the Dewalt V-Stack system. I actually looked at this long and hard. I think for the price, this is a very good system. It's a little smaller than the Dewalt Tough System 2 that I went with. But all in all, I was very impressed with this system. And the fact that you can mix and match with the Dewalt V-Stack, I think was an excellent, excellent move on whoever did this as part. There's another picture of it there. Obviously, Craftsman sockets and stuff are on sale. I hope these are back to the standards of days gone by. If you've recently purchased Craftsman sockets, please let me know if you are happy with them. Just a quick picture of some of the Dewalt kits on sale. Here you can see the right angle attachment, $24.98. Guys, I hate saying don't buy things in certain places, but I got this right angle attachment with 50 bits for $10. So obviously right now the Home Depot has a much better deal going on for that particular thing. More Craftsman. Again, Craftsman is very prevalent all over my Lowe's. My guess it's the same for you. This is their competitor cardboard stand to the Milwaukee one that Home Depot has. It's a speed square, it's a knife, and it's a tape measure. Now it's $6 for each tool. It's 1 instead of 2. Milwaukee's is $15. Now the Milwaukee speed squares are aluminum. There's 2 tape measures, and you know the Milwaukee knives are much better than this plastic thing they have here. But these tools at $6 are not horrible. I will let you know more about what I did with this guy when we put him to use. The Cobalt. This is the $99 box from Cobalt. You know, Craftsman has one, Cobalt has one, Husky has one at Home Depot. Everybody is selling a box set of sockets and wrenches these days, and if you don't already have a bunch of mechanics type tools, it's a great time to go ahead and buy one because these are good deals. I don't know why I took a picture of this. I saw it in the electrical aisle and it just intrigued me. If you've purchased this, go ahead and talk to me about it. It just is, you know, with my failing eyesight, if I can get light, you know, what this does is this wraps around your neck and there's a little LED light on each end. So you just put it around your neck and it just will continuously shine forward at what you're working on, independent on where you move your head. You know, some of those torch lights you put on your head are great, but if you move your head, the light goes with you. These seem to keep the light at your work surface. Don't know. Let me know if you've used it. I didn't buy one, but I wanted to put the picture out and ask you if you've used it. Again, the buy one, get one from DeWalt. Bosch has a lot of bits for sale on the floor, as well as one little bit of a display for a tool up here, a tool kit as well. The Bosch Bit Kits for $9, $12, and $14.98 Bosch makes great bits. So even if these bits are a buck or two more than the other brand's bits, these are better bits in my mind, especially the driving bits that you put in your impact drills. They make good bits in my mind for that type of service. So I did not get any yet, but I am going to go back and pick up this $14.98 set because it has some 2-inch long screwdriver tips, and it has the square drive as well as the Torx and Phillips and all of the different types in that kit. Here is the Cobalt buy one get one display. Another duplicate picture of the $24.98 right angle. I just think, I don't know how Home Depot got those at that price, guys, but Lowe's isn't selling too many of them, as you can see. And a little bit more. Cobalt has a display with several tools for $99, and they're just in this little display. And as you can see, they just got this thing sitting on the pallet, guys. They're not even taking them off the pallets and properly setting them up in the aisles. The stuff is blowing out of the stores. So you really are going to need to keep an eye on what you're looking for and try back. That's the best thing I can tell you. So that's my Lowe's Black Friday review. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and have a great holiday season. Thanks for watching.